So I spent the day, and it really did take me a day, recutting and re-sandblasting pairs of flashed red on clear and blue on clear, and also some backing glass for the red on clear, yellow on clear and orange on clear. Sometimes my sandblaster works beautifully, and then other times it works like it did today, which is not very well, and I spent at least half the day taking it apart and putting it back together and trying to find where the blockage was. So it can be frustrating, but never mind. So I will refire, and these should be looking nice tomorrow. So I'll cook these at 701, very high, and I'll hold it there for 15 minutes, and then I'll bring it down slowly. Just make sure they're not touching. I'm quite happy with the way these have fired. So now they're ready for me to paint. I haven't filmed myself painting them because there's really only very minimal detail on them. And you can see my techniques of glass painting in some of my other videos. So then they go back into the kiln to fire the paint, and now what I'm doing is just laying them out for the first time to see how they're all going to look. Now that I can see what it all looks like, it's the opportunity to just finesse it a bit, maybe change a few pieces of glass around. So that's what I'm doing here, recutting again, which is what you do sometimes, especially in a piece of this complexity. Now that I'm happy with all my glass, I'm going to add another layer of paint, and this time I'm using vitriol paint. This paint doesn't need firing, and it's often used by hobbyists for that reason. Because there's a double layer of glass, I'm going to put the vitriol glass on the inside. That way it won't be exposed to the weather. So I'm quite happy with the glass now and the painting and the sandblasting, and I am looking forward to getting it all leaded up.